Hey everyone, it's Mike here. Just want to let you know where I've been, some of the stuff that's been going on, and if you stay tuned, we'll talk about it. Hey everyone, it's Mike from Michael Esball Fine Art. Just to let you know where I've been, I'm a master electrician, so being laid off numerous times and just getting tired of it, I decided to go out on my own and start my own business. Little did I know I'd be extremely busy right off the start, so my artwork got put on hold, which was kind of disheartening to me, but I've got bills to pay too, so the artwork wasn't really selling much, so I thought I would just take the leap and go out on my own, which probably was the best decision I ever made. But anyways, I bought a brand new easel, one of the largest ones that I've ever bought, so I can do my pastels standing up instead of sitting down in front of a desk. So I thought I would share. Don't mind my messy apartment. This is basically my apartment slash studio because that's pretty much all I can afford right now. I don't have the opportunity to have a large studio like some other artists have, but I did buy the easel from Hobby Lobby, and my first thing that I can say is make sure you've got your hair pulled back like I do, because you definitely are going to pull your hair out trying to read the instructions and figure it out. I'm not sure I put it together right, but it works. So here is the easel. I'll show you here. This is the easel itself, and I went ahead and got a backer board just so that, here, let me zoom out so you can kind of see me. I got a backer board. I cut it down so that it would fit. It's a 2x4 backer board that I bought at a local home improvement store, and I cut it down to fit. I've got a larger piece for doing the larger pieces that I planned on doing. 19 and a half by, I think it was 22 and a half. The large sheets of Canson paper. But Hobby Lobby also sells they sell the Metience board, which is what this is. If I can zoom in or bring it to you. It's actually a thicker board, and I have it taped down on there right now. I'll go ahead and tape the edges all the way around, so I'll have it framed off. But I'm doing something special, and it's going to be given away as a gift for some family members. And I think I just wanted to share. One of the things I do like about this easel is its adjustability, and I'll show you. Now, keep in mind, I'm 5'10", and this is the top of it, all the way up there that I can't reach, and that's not fully extended. So I can do a large gallery type canvas if I so choose. But this is a long time coming. Has a cool little holder down here. Put your pastels, what you're using, or you can lay them up here. I'm not sure I'll use this much. This little area, whoops, got the sunshine coming in. That's cool. This area here, and then it's fully adjustable. Sorry for the sunshine coming in off of the camera. I got my sliding glass window open to watch the birds, but it's fully adjustable down here, so you can bring this all the way up high or all the way back down low, depending if you want to sit down or stand up or adjust it for the canvas. So great deal, Hobby Lobby. It was $149, and then I had the 40% off coupon, so I got it for $90, and that's a savings, which means I can buy more pastels. So I just thought I would share that. If you have any questions about this, I believe it was Lyra brand, solid wood, so it's going to last a very long time, hopefully. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer. And I'm just so you know, I'm not doing this. This is no editing, no nothing on this video. So just so you're aware that I will be doing more pastel pieces. Kind of always loved Bob Ross, so I want to see if I can do something similar to a Bob Ross style mountain or landscape like he did with the oils, except using just like a chalk pastel like my Rembrandts. See if that'll work. But Anyways, it's great seeing you again. I'll be back with lots more videos, so be sure to subscribe, hit the little bell notification, and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.